In October 2022, Shanquella Robinson tragically died during a vacation in Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico. A viral video showed her being assaulted inside a villa. Initially, her friends claimed she'd suffered alcohol poisoning, but the footage painted a much darker picture. The U.S. Department of Justice declined to bring criminal charges, citing lack of evidence and jurisdictional limitations. No one has been prosecuted in criminal court to date. In response, Shanquella's family filed a civil lawsuit. In the lawsuit, they accused members of the Cabo Six of assault, negligence, emotional distress, and conspiring to conceal the true cause of her death. According to WCNC Charlotte, Emani Green, one of the defendants, has filed a motion to dismiss the civil lawsuit filed by the Robinson family. A motion to dismiss essentially argues that the complaint itself is legally insufficient. Even if all allegations are taken as true, the lawsuit lacks the legal grounding to move forward. Defendants might challenge aspects like jurisdiction, whether the court has the authority, failure to state a claim, whether the paths of alleged wrongdoing aren't linking to a legal violation, statute of limitations, whether the family waited too long to file. If the judge grants the motion, the lawsuit could be thrown out before discovery or deposition begins. If denied, the case moves forward, starting depositions, evidence gathering, and possibly mandatory mediation. Why this matters? Green's action is crucial because if one defendant exits early, it could change the case dynamics, shifting focus, evidence presentation, and negotiation tactics. There's a timing pressure. A granted motion delays the entire case. A denial speeds it along, possibly forcing answers under oath. Case strength indicator. The judge's initial reaction could signal how the court views the overall merits of the family's case. Implications for the family and justice. So, civil versus criminal trajectories. No criminal charges have been filed, but civil cases have a lower standard of proof, preponderance of evidence instead of beyond a reasonable doubt. Even if criminal court failed them, civil action may still yield accountability. Public accountability. A civil lawsuit can compel depositions, reveal details, and put defendants under oath, even if they never speak publicly outside of courtrooms. Justice delay tactics. Motions to dismiss aren't necessarily signs of weakness. They can be delay tactics or preemptive defenses, but they also can signal serious legal issues on the plaintiff's side or point to shaky claims. Why this story still matters. This is more than a courtroom fight. It's part of a broader reckoning. Many feel the system failed Shanquella. The Department of Justice and criminal courts didn't act. Mexico hasn't extradited anyone, and public scrutiny remains intense. The civil lawsuit is the last major avenue for transparency, accountability, and justice. It's not just about money. This could be the moment where the truth, context, and responsibilities come into the open under oath. This case is evolving and critical for Shanquella's family. Do you think the motion to dismiss will succeed, ending one defendant's involvement, or fail, taking us closer to the truth? Recently, the judge approved for the FBI to be dismissed from the lawsuit. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe.